Is the brand new iPad Air 5th generation 2022 edition, one of the first videos with this. And I do have the iPad Air 4th generation. So getting straight to the unboxing, it's a very familiar experience. Inside the box, we are initially presented with the iPad Air. And I've got it here in the new blue color, but it's also available in a space gray, a starlight, a pink, as well as a purple. And as well as that, we get some paperwork, a SIM card tool because this is the cellular version, as well as some white apples. We also have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, as well as a 20-watt power brick. 5th generation. As expected, this is very compact, so it's just 6.1 millimeters. And it pretty much has exactly the same dimensions as the iPad Air 4th generation, which we have here. So you can see the difference in color. The 4th generation has much more of a lighter sky blue, whereas the iPad Air 5th generation does have a much deeper blue, which I do like. The enclosure is still made with 100% recycled aluminium, which is great. I think that needs to be talked about more. A 10.9-inch liquid retina display with a P3 wide color gamut, 500 nits of brightness with uniform bezels. Now this is a really nice display. It's not quite as good as the iPad Pro display, which has XDR as well as ProMotion technology. You do need some bezel, so you just have somewhere to hold. We no longer have the Touch ID button here at the front. We've got it at the top and it works really well. Right, now you might be wondering, well, the biggest improvements are on the inside. So the iPad Air 5th generation is now powered by Apple's M1 chip.